So today we're going to start with a system of linear equations. And just to remind you what a system of linear equations is you have two lines represented by their equation, and where they intersect is the solution for both equations. So we're going to solve this system by a method called elimination. Students are not intimidated by a problem like this. They see a 2y, they see a 4y, they immediately see how they can eliminate the y variable. So they would multiply this top equation through by -2. So they would get a -6x minus 4y equals -14. They're happy, they're making progress, not a problem, especially when they come down here, 2x plus 4y equals 10. They just recopy that problem. They've achieved their goal. They have eliminated a variable. -6x and 2x is -4x. -14 and 10 is -4. They divide both sides by -4, and they get x equals a +1. So they are not intimidated by this kind of problem. They would just substitute 1 back in for x into either one of these equations, get y, they're done, they're happy. This causes no stress. This problem is a different beast altogether. You'll see the 3/4 here and the -13 and 1/4 here. The solution for this equation is still a very straightforward point, but getting there causes a lot of anxiety. So let's go through it, and I think you'll see why. Okay, so I do see 3x and 3/4x, and most students know, okay, I'll multiply everything through up here by -1/4. So they put that up there. They're okay with that. They know that this is going to give them a -3/4x, but now they've got to multiply everything else through by fractions. Oh, okay, so -1/4 times 2, that's -2/4. Reduce that. Now it's -1/2 y equals -1/4 times 7. Okay, that's not too bad. That's -7/4, but oh gosh, improper fractions. Ugh. All right, we come down, we copy the second problem. We have 3/4 x minus 7y equals -13 and 1/4. Okay, this eliminates, but okay, I gotta add -1/2 and -7, that's fine. They're the same sign. Okay, it's gonna be -7.5y. Oh, mixed number. -7/4, -13 and 1/4. Okay, well, -7/4 and -1/4 is -8/4, that's -2. -2 and -13 is -15. All right, what I really need to do to isolate y is I need to turn that into an improper and then multiply by the reciprocal. So that's -15/2 y, sorry, I'm getting down to the bottom here. So I'm gonna multiply by -2/15, so that just goes to y. This is, let's see, -2/15. So the 15s cancel out, I'm left with a +2.